Good morning, guys. Hindi mo na mag-Jollibee guys. Ayan ang Jollibee. Kasi nag-Jollibee na kami kahapon. So, iba na ang bibilin ko ngayon, guys. Good morning, Philippines. Hi, mahal. Good morning. Ay, may event na naman dito, guys. So, ganda. Guys, black and yellow. Araw-araw dito, guys, may event kasi nga ano dito, guys, malaking space. Yan, may mga Christmas party dito. Halos araw-araw yan, guys. Hanggang New Year yata yan, guys. Busy dito, guys. Araw-araw may party-party. Good morning, guys. Hello. Good morning, mahal. Yan, dito muna tayo, guys. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Canada. Good morning, David Lam. Merry Christmas, David Lam. Sit down muna tayo dito, guys. Ganda dito, guys. Diba? Picture, guys. Hi! Hello! Yeah, dito muna ako, guys, mag-upo-upo, guys, kasi naghanap ako ng ulam. Bili kasi ako ng ulam, guys. So, dito muna ako mag-video. Yan, tuwing umaga, guys. Yan. Mag-say hi sa lahat ng mga friends ko, and then my David love, David from Canada. Love you, love you. Good morning. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye, guys.